Hello friends, welcome to Fimes Tech. This is Vivo Y19 smartphone. In this video, you will learn how you can take a slow motion video on your phone Vivo Y19. First of all, open camera on your phone. Click here for camera. Here click on more button and select this option SLOMO. Now start recording your video. While recording, it will be like a normal video. Stop the video and play the video that you recorded. See the action there. Video is playing in slow motion. So in this way, you can easily record a slow motion video in your phone. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.